find out if you're joining us in the afternoon. I am Liv. We are doing cat yoga with YsCዄL, provided he wants to stick around. He's just having a little snack at the minute though, so we said for like 5 minutes and we can start. Yeah, I just thought that we could get in touch with our bodies and just remind ourselves that we love ourselves and everything is okay. Oh, he's just got so much love to give. He's so happy to be here with everybody. He's really not. He says, bye. Water, please. Beginning with mountain pose, you want your hands at heart center. Breathe in, reach your arms up. Exhale, peel your arms down, pushing your shoulder blades together, lifting your chest up. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, hands to heart center. Breathe in, arms up. Peel your arms back as you exhale. We're going to repeat this a couple more times. Breathing is so crucial in yoga. This is just an important moment in your yoga workout as any other. You want to have your legs just over shoulder width apart. You want to have your knee just above your ankle, and you want to sort of sink into this stretch. Have your arms as if they're having a tug of war with each other. You want to have them really level. Sink further if it feels comfortable to you. Interlock your hands behind your back and bend yourself forwards, but only go so far that feels comfortable. Keep your legs soft. Give your head a little shake and release your arms slowly to touch the floor. Keep breathing. Walk your hands out and your legs back. Make sure you're not sticking your bum up or sinking yourself down. You need to keep yourself straight. Walk your hands back and push your feet onto the ground. Give your dog a little walk. Coming down onto all fours, keep your toes tucked up. Keep your arms underneath your shoulders. Let your chest melt down. And then arch your back up. Sink your chest down. Breathe in. As you sink, breathe out as you arch. Just push yourself back onto your knees and reach your arms in front of you. Walk them out as far as they can go and just breathe. Just give yourself a sec, just breathe. This one's a little bit tricky. Make sure you do it on both sides. I have my arm as a sort of 90-degree angle. You want your elbow underneath your shoulder and your legs on top of each other. Keep your other arm up for balance. It's really tough. You see me shaking. Thank you for joining us for cat yoga. Rion's so pooped and so thirsty right now. So all those stretches that he did elsewhere. Obviously you might think it's quite difficult, but you can manage to do cat yoga without a cat. So this is for everybody at home that doesn't have a cat or have a cat that doesn't want to get involved. Yeah, well done. Look after yourselves and be kind to yourselves and have a big stretch. Bye. How do you think your yoga session went, Gwion? Are you feeling nice and relaxed? You found inner peace?